So good morning my dear students. Today I am going to make you revise some of the grammar topic, and first topic that I am going to take that is narration. Okay, there are only two kinds of narrations in your syllabus: indefinite, and continuous. Indefinite and continuous. Only two kinds of narrations are your in syllabus: indefinite and continuous. So I'm going to take the gist of all these. Okay. So first you just keep this thing in your mind that if your reported verb is given in said form, okay, if reported speech, okay, the reported verb is given in said form and there is a universal truth, then there will be no change in tense. There will be no change in tense. Okay. So it's better that you side by side you write down in your notebooks. So it's better that you write down in your notebook side by side. For example, he said, man is mortal. So what will be its answer? Hurry up, quickly solve it. Don't raise your hand, solve it and text me. Type your answer in chat box. He said man is mortal. Drishti, you want to give answer? If you want to give answer, don't raise your hand, type in chat box. So what will be its answer? It is universal truth, beta. Yes. So what will be its answer? Hurry up. What will be its answer? He said that. In place of comma, inverted comma, that, and rest of the sentence will be same. Okay. I take one more example. He proved the earth is round. He proved the earth is round. What will be its answer? He proved the earth is round. He proved that, yes, in place of comma, inverted comma, what will come? That. And that the earth is round. So these were of universal truth. It means if any of the universal truth is given, in place of comma, inverted comma, you will be putting that, and rest of the sentence will remain same. There will be no change in tense. Now I am going to take example of present indefinite tense. Okay. See, whenever any sentence in direct speech is given of present indefinite and you have to change into indirect speech. So what you will do? Simple rule, present indefinite will change into past indefinite. Present indefinite will change into past indefinite. How? Just to see. What is the rule of present indefinite tense? In present indefinite tense, we use verb first form. Okay? We use verb first form. And this verb first form will change into verb second form. Okay? And suppose verb first form plus s or es is given, same, it will change into verb second form. Okay, beta? So you just write down this in your notebook. Afterwards, I will be giving you some of the sentences of present indefinite so that this rule should be very much clear to you. And do it quickly because I want to make you revise so many topics of grammar today. Okay, and tomorrow I'll be taking writing skills. I'll make you revise writing skill. Okay, beta? So you just jot down. So present definite that I am going to take. You said to me, you said to me, I do not think so. You said to me, I do not think so. Okay. So how will you change it? Hurry up. Next sentence is Rama. Rama said to the girl. Rama said to the girl, I know you and your aunt. I know you and your aunt. So what will be this answer? Hurry up, quickly solve it. He said to me, I approve of your partner partnership partnership with him. Okay, so these three sentences are given. So start solving. Let's solve first sentence. You said to me, I do not think so. So you said to me. This said to will change into told. Okay, you told me. You said to me, you told me. And in place of comma, inverted comma, what will come? In place of comma, inverted comma, what will come? You told me that. Yes, hurry up. See, I is given. I is a first person and first person changes according to object. First person changes according to object. So I will change according to you told me that. Hurry up. Hurry up, start solving it. First person changes according to subject. So this is subject. You is a subject and me is a object. So I will change according to you. So you told me that, yes, I will change it to you. And do is present tense. You will change it to do will change it to did. Yes. You told me that you did not think so. Keep this thing in your mind. Think is given with do. But here with did first form will be used. Do will change into did. You told me that you did not think so. Now let's take next example. Rama said to the girl, I know you and your aunt. Rama said to the girl. So here said will change into told. Yes, Rama told the girl. Yes, Rama told the girl. Rama told the girl. In place of comma inverted comma, what will come? What will come in place of comma inverted comma? Hurry up, tell me. Rama told the girl that. Yes, Rama told the girl that he. Because here I is a first person and first person will change according to subject. Rama told the girl that he knew. No will change into knew. Yes, very good. Hurry up. Rama told the girl that he knew He knew, you will change into her. He knew her and her aunt. Okay, beta. Now start solving third sentence. He said to me, I approve of your partnership with him. So he said to will change into told. He told me that here I will change according to subject. So he told me that he approved. He approved. Yes. He approved of his. Yes, he approved of his partnership with him. Clear? So these are the ways to do present and definite narrations. Afterwards, I am going to discuss with you rules of present continuous. Okay? After discussing present and definite, I will be discussing with you present continuous. And you do it, don't only look at the board in this way, you will not be able to understand. You solve it side by side, jot down all the sentences and rules that I am discussing with you, that I am making you revise, write down in your notebooks. Okay, only then you will be able to understand. Okay, now next rule that I am going to take is of present continuous. Okay, see what rule you have to keep in your mind, that in direct speech, when we change direct speech into indirect speech, so what happens? Present continuous changes into past continuous. Simple. Present continuous changes into past continuous. So what is present continuous rule? Is, am, are, verb first form plus ing. And when it will be changed into past continuous, what will you do in place of is and are? What will come? Was verb plus verb first form plus ing. So, bache, you keep this rule in your mind. Okay, there are only two rules in your syllabus in PT1. Indefinite I have told you, present indefinite will change into past indefinite, and present continuous will change into past continuous. So I am going to take one example, some of the examples. I said I am taking class. I am taking a class. So I said I am taking a class. What will be its answer? Hurry up, start solving it. Start solving it. Hurry up. Don't raise your hand, type your answer in chat box. And in my class, all students should be ready with their answer. I can ask any of the child to give me this answer. Solve it. Hurry up. Solve it. Don't raise your hand, type your answers in chat box. I said I am taking a class. So what will be its answer? I said, yes, in place of comma, inverted comma. Okay, I'm going to ask one of the child. Because only 3-4 students are participating. What about others? Now I'm going to ask. Okay, Arush, you tell me. And I think a day before yesterday or yesterday I have told you that whenever you log in my class now, you log in with your name, class and roll number. It becomes easy for me to mark your attendance. Now Janvi and Arpita, they have written 21-7B. Beta, rename yourself. Write down your name, class and roll number. Follow this format that see in the list of participants how other students have followed it. Because all the names are now in alphabetical order, and Namya and Hardik. Namya, Hardik, Arpita, and yes, these three students. Follow proper format. Okay, now this answer should be solved by Anmol Singh. Anmol, you have what answer you have written of this question, this narration? What is the answer, Anmol? I said I am taking a class. What is it? Very good, very good. I said that, yes, I said that I was taking a class. Okay, very good. Now write down next. She said to me, she said to me, it is raining. She said to me, it is raining heavily. She said to me, it is raining heavily. So who is going to solve it? I can ask any of the child. Get ready for that. Hemant, roll number 18. Okay, Hemant, look at this board and solve this sentence. She said to me, it is raining heavily. Solve this sentence. Hurry up. She said to me, it is raining heavily. Hemant, are you listening to me? Yes, Hemant. No response from Hemant's side. Naman. Okay, Naman, you tell me this answer. Naman, you tell me this answer. Hemant or Naman, tell me this answer. If your mic is not working, then you type in chat box so that I can come to know that you are present in my class. Otherwise, I'll mark you absent if you don't respond, give response in my class. Hurry up, Hemant. Type your answer in chat box if you know the answer. Hurry up. Yes. So what will be its answer? She said to will change into told. She told me that it was raining heavily. Okay, it was raining heavily. Now let's take one more example. He said to you, I am attending online classes. He said to you, I am attending online classes. So all of you solve this answer. Solve this answer. I can ask any of the child from my class. He said to you, I am attending online classes. So solve this answer in your notebooks. Solve this answer in your notebook. And Prabnoor Singh, you tell me this answer. Yes, Prabnoor Singh, you tell me this answer. He said to you, I am attending online classes. So Prabnoor Singh, what will be its answer? Prabnoor Singh, shall I mark you absent if you are not able to unmute yourself and tell me the answer? Hurry up, bache. This is so simple. It means these students are not writing, they are not doing revision. So I have written their names after the class. I am going to call them. Yes, he told that he told you that I will change into he. Okay, then am will change into am will change into R. With he we will be using R. This rule is written in front of you. That is am R change into was were. Is a man changes into was were. So बच्चे, what will be used with he? With he we will be, huh? Was. Okay, good. Now tell me this answer. He told you that he was, yes, he was attending, yes, online classes. So this topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. This topic is clear to you. So I'm going to take your doubts. Whatever the doubts you are having, you can tell me.